In this episode, we're talking about sugar specifically. Why too much sugar isn't as sweet as it seems. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're excited. It really helps the channel out and you'll never miss an update. Today, we'll learn how sugar affects our bodies and explore kid-friendly alternatives. Let's get started. Did you know that sugar can sneak into lots of the foods we eat? Here are some fun facts about sugar and why eating less of it can help us feel our best. Sugar and energy. Sugar can give you quick energy, but it doesn't last long. After the energy burst, it's common to feel tired and sluggish. Sugar and teeth. Too much sugar can lead to tooth decay. That's why brushing after meals and choosing snacks like fruits and veggies is so important. Sugar hiding spots. Sugar likes to hide in surprising places like ketchup, flavored yogurts, and even bread. Reading labels can help you find it. Natural sweetness. Fruits are naturally sweet and come with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They're a great way to satisfy a sweet craving. Hydration over sugary drinks. Sugary drinks can add up quickly. Drinking water or milk is a smarter choice to stay hydrated and energized. Let's see how much you know about sugar. Are you ready for the quiz? What happens after a sugar energy burst? A. You feel more energized. B. You feel tired. Correct answer is B. You feel tired. Sugar gives quick energy, but can make you feel tired afterward. Where can sugar hide? A. Ketchup. B. Water. Correct answer is A. Ketchup. Ketchup often contains added sugars, so check the label. What's a natural source of sweetness? A. Fruit. B. Candy. Correct answer is A. Fruit. Fruit is naturally sweet and packed with nutrients. What can too much sugar do to your teeth? A. Make them stronger. B. Cause decay. Correct answer is B. Cause decay. Sugar feeds bacteria that can lead to cavities. What's a good drink to stay hydrated? A. Or soda. B. Water. Correct answer is B. Water. Water is the best choice for hydration without added sugars. What can you use to add natural sweetness to food? A. Cinnamon. B. Salt. Correct answer is A. Cinnamon. Cinnamon adds flavor and sweetness without sugar. Which snack is a better choice than a candy bar? A. Trail mix. B. Soda. Correct answer is A. Trail mix. Trail mix with dried fruit and nuts provides energy and nutrients. What does fruit have that candy doesn't? A. Fiber. B. Artificial colors. Correct answer is A. Fiber. Fruit provides natural sweetness along with fiber and vitamins. What's a healthy alternative to sugary drinks? A. Milk. B. Sports drinks. Correct answer is A. Milk. Milk is a nutrient-rich drink that's naturally low in sugar. How can you make plain yogurt more fun? A. Add fresh fruit. B. Add sugar. Correct answer is A. Add fresh fruit. Fresh fruit adds flavor and nutrients to plain yogurt. Thanks for joining us on Live Nourish today. We hope these fun facts and inspire you to take on the sugar challenge and explore new, delicious snacks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative ideas. See you next time!